Hey, what's up guys? Today, I've got a list of 10 cool gadgets that you can buy on Amazon that are going to blow your mind. From smart home devices to cutting-edge electronics, these gadgets are going to change the way you live your life. And the best part? I've included links in the description below, so you can easily grab them for yourself. So, without further ado, let's dive into the list. The Infinity Cable is a revolutionary charging cable that has been designed to solve some of the most common problems people face with traditional charging cables. This cable is not only tangle-free, but it also comes with a magnetic connector that automatically snaps into place, making it incredibly easy to use. One of the biggest benefits of the Infinity Cable is its durability. With a strong and durable nylon braided cord, it can withstand daily wear and tear, making it a long-lasting investment for anyone who uses their devices regularly. Another great feature of the Infinity Cable is its versatility. It comes with 3 interchangeable connectors: micro USB, Lightning, and USB-C, so you can use it to charge a wide range of devices. The Rhinokey is a compact and highly functional key-shaped multi-tool that has been designed to solve a variety of everyday problems. With its sleek and lightweight design, the Rhinokey is perfect for people who are always on the go and need a tool that can help them in a variety of situations. One of the key benefits of the Rhinokey is its versatility. It comes equipped with a range of tools, including a bottle opener, screwdriver, hex wrench, and even a box cutter. This makes it a great tool to have on hand for everyday use, whether you're at home or on the go. The Rhinokey is also incredibly durable, made from high-quality stainless steel that can withstand heavy use without breaking or rusting. And because it's small and lightweight, it's easy to carry in your pocket or attach to your keyring, so you'll always have it when you need it. The Scribbler is a cutting-edge 3D printing pen that allows users to create intricate designs and models with ease. It's an excellent investment for people who enjoy artistic pursuits, want to bring their ideas to life, or just need a tool for prototyping and experimentation. One of the key benefits of the Scribbler is its versatility. It can be used with a range of materials, including PLA, ABS, and even wood-based filaments, allowing users to experiment with a variety of creative projects. It's also incredibly easy to use, with intuitive controls that make it easy to adjust the temperature and speed of the pen. The Scribbler is also great for solving practical problems. It can be used to create custom phone cases, repair broken plastic parts. The Shift IZI Nano drone is a pocket-sized quadcopter that is perfect for both beginner and experienced drone pilots. With its intuitive controls, durable construction, and advanced features, the IZI Nano drone is a great investment for anyone who wants to experience the thrill of flying a drone. One of the key benefits of the IZI Nano drone is its compact size. It's small enough to fit in your pocket or attach to your keyring, so you can take it with you wherever you go. It's also incredibly easy to fly, with intuitive controls that make it easy to perform flips, rolls, and other advanced maneuvers. The IZI Nano drone is also great for solving practical problems. It features a high-quality camera that can capture HD video and photos. The Yeelight Bar is an innovative LED light strip that can be used for a variety of purposes. With its customizable color options, flexible design, and easy installation, the Yeelight Bar is a great investment for anyone who wants to enhance their home or office lighting. One of the key benefits of the Yeelight Bar is its versatility. It can be used to create a variety of lighting effects, including ambient lighting, accent lighting, and task lighting. It's also easy to install, with a simple adhesive backing that allows you to attach it to any surface. The Magno Grip is a magnetic wristband that is designed to help people keep track of small metal objects while they work. With its strong magnets, comfortable fit, and versatile design, the Magno Grip is a great investment for anyone who works with tools or small metal objects. One of the key benefits of the Magno Grip is its strong magnets. They are powerful enough to hold nails, screws, and other small metal objects securely in place, allowing you to keep your hands free while you work. The wristband is also adjustable and made with breathable materials, ensuring a comfortable fit during extended use. The Magno Grip is also great for solving practical problems. It can help prevent lost or dropped metal objects, reducing the risk of injury or damage to property. The laptop stand is a simple but effective accessory that can make a big difference in your daily routine. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who uses a laptop on a regular basis, a laptop stand can improve your overall comfort, posture, and productivity. By elevating your laptop to the right height and angle, a laptop stand can help reduce neck and back strain, prevent eye strain and fatigue, and even improve your typing speed and accuracy. It's also great for people who work in limited or shared spaces, as it frees up desk space and allows for better organization. Laptop stands come in a variety of sizes, materials, and designs, so there's sure to be one that suits your needs and preferences. They are also typically affordable and easy to use, making them a great investment for anyone who values comfort, productivity, and overall well-being. Overall, a laptop stand is a smart investment for anyone who uses a laptop on a regular basis. The AKG Lyra is a high-quality USB microphone that is perfect for content creators, podcasters, and musicians. With its versatile features and exceptional sound quality, the AKG Lyra is a great investment for anyone who values professional-grade audio recording. One of the key features of the AKG Lyra is its 4-capsule microphone array, which provides excellent sound quality and recording versatility. It also has built-in headphone monitoring, which allows you to hear exactly what you're recording in real time. Additionally, the AKG Lyra comes with easy-to-use controls and a sleek design that looks great on any desk or workstation. Whether you're recording vocals, instruments, or podcast episodes, the AKG Lyra delivers exceptional sound quality that is sure to impress. A water purifier is an essential appliance that can provide safe and clean drinking water for you and your family. It removes impurities and contaminants from tap water, including bacteria, viruses, lead, and chlorine, ensuring that your water is healthy and free from harmful substances. Investing in a water purifier can save you money in the long run, as it eliminates the need to buy expensive bottled water. It's also environmentally friendly, as it reduces plastic waste and helps conserve resources. Water purifiers come in a variety of types and sizes. The Hyperdolly is a versatile camera dolly that is perfect for photographers and videographers who want to capture smooth and professional-looking footage. With its sturdy construction, adjustable features, and smooth rolling wheels, the Hyperdolly can be used in a variety of settings and situations. One of the key features of the Hyperdolly is its adjustable design, which allows you to customize the height and angle of the camera mount to suit your needs. It also has smooth rolling wheels, which make it easy to move the dolly around and capture dynamic shots from a variety of angles and perspectives. Thanks for tuning into this video on 10 cool gadgets that you can buy on Amazon. I hope you found some inspiration and ideas for your next purchase, and that these gadgets will make your life easier, more convenient, and more enjoyable. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. And be sure to check out the links in the description to learn more about these awesome gadgets, and to purchase them for yourself. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.